welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to Chilling with Toya. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I peel my cassava and how I boil them. Now, as you see in the previous video, you see when King and I was reaping the cassava, and I asked you guys to tell me how do you normally make your cassava. Well, this is a quick video that I was showing you how to peel and how to boil. And remember guys, subscribe to the channel so you will be notified once I upload a video. So this is super huge. So let's start with cutting them in two and to get it. It's a really pretty hard fruit because it's from the root of the tree. It's a vegetable and it's coming straight from the root. So let's get into the video now. So what I'm doing is just making a long line and open it up. It's really hard, guys, because this is the root of the cassava. So as you see here, I just open it right there, and I'm good on that. So I'm just going to continue to do it, and let's get that done. So cassava, you can use it to make cassava flour. You can also use it to make bami. It's a really popular dish in Jamaica, bami, and it's really tasty with some nice escabeche fish or however you like it. So let's get into the video with getting this done. I remember the first time I tried to peel cassava, I didn't actually know how to do it. I was actually peeling it like an orange. And I'm like, this is not fun at all. But I've learned, and this is the best way to do it. So what I'm gonna do is just keep peeling, and then so you can see again. So I make a mark in the middle here. And I'm just making a mark, a straight line. And all you're doing is just pushing it back. I'm sure I'm not doing it all perfect, but this is how I know how to do it because this plant is super strong and I want to make sure I'm very careful. So however you know how to peel your cassava, I used to do it like that. You can just go ahead and peel your cassava that way. Okay guys, so I finished peeling the cassava and I washed them so they're all clean. So what we're going to do now, there is something in the middle here that we need to take out. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it in halves rather, and we're gonna basically take it out. So it's open. And see where that's all clean? And we are going to take that string thing out. We're going to take them all out before we start boiling them. Because you don't want to boil them with this string. I remember the first time I made cassava and I didn't know, I had no clue that those strings needed to be taken out. So I made sure going forward, I take out all the strings out of my cassava. So once we take the strings out, we're good to go, and we're gonna add them to our boiling pot right now. So let me just get the strings out. By the way, I want to tell you guys that this root is rich in vitamin C. So it's really good to consume and it's really healthy. The benefits for this fruit is endless. It's super great and it has been around for a long time. So taking them out, this is how they look. Yeah, you gotta have a lot of strength to do this. So our water is boiling up, as you see here. So we're gonna just grab our cassava and put it inside of that hot water here. Okay, so we're just adding our cassava. And what I also noticed, when you reap the cassava, it's always good to use them up. Try to use them before the third day, because I noticed the longer you take to use them, the harder they get. And I'm telling you, it was a task using them that day. So we're going to leave our cassava to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes, as I say, if you do it before the third day, you can probably do it in under 10 minutes. But these are very, very fresh. So let's boil these cassava. Okay guys, our cassava is finished. Look at this, it's so soft. Look how easy the fork went through it. And this took me around 10 to 15 minutes to cook and to be all soft and nice. It's really nice right now. And look at it. Like, take a look at this cassava. It's super nice and very nutritious. Okay guys, so I took the cassava out of the hot water because it's finished cooking. As you see, the steam is still coming out of it. So this is my cassava. This is all grown in the back of my yard, and I'm telling you, this is really nice. As you see, it's really nice and crunchy. Like, let me take a quick cut here. It's really, really nice. Like, when you look at it, see, it's really good. I like to eat my cassava just like this right now. It's, you know, I'm craving some cassava, so let me grab it real quick. So it is hot, but this is really nice, guys. I think if you have cassava at home, or if you have to go to the local market, I'll definitely recommend you go out. And for persons that are not able to get it straight from a farmer, I think you can still buy it in your local grocery store. So make sure you check it out. Like King always say, honey, once you make cassava, make sure you make me a punch. So guys, if you want to see how I make making cassava punch, make sure you comment in the comment box and I'll show you how I make a good homemade cassava punch that is healthy and is really good for your body, and it's really packed with a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin C. So I hope you guys like this video. It was a quick video. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload any video. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for chilling with Toya. See you in the next video.